We'll try sharing another media clip. This time, I'm going to show you a different method. This is very good for if you have a video clip or some file on your computer that you want to share. You go to share screen just like normal, but before I go to share screen, I want to make sure we have the thing open. So we'll go to the file itself, and I'll open it up, and I'm using Command Tab on my Mac to switch among the different applications. In Windows, it's Alt Tab, and we find the window we want. All right, so now it's open. I can go back to Zoom, and now I go to Share Screen. And instead of choosing Desktop 1 like we normally would, I'm choosing just that specific file. This is QuickTime Player is the app, and there's the file name. And this is a video, so I want it to play with sound, and I want to optimize for video. So make sure if you're doing anything with sound or video, make sure you have those checked. And then click Share. So now we're sharing just this file, not the entire screen. So anytime my mouse hovers over the file, the students will see it, but it's only what's in this screen that they'll see. So at this point, when I start playing the file, make sure your computer audio is up high enough, because Zoom is streaming whatever audio the computer is streaming. So make sure your volume is correct on your computer. And then students can get the full effect of your video. So we'll stop sharing over here. We'll shut down the QuickTime file, and that's how to share a video through Zoom. It's a video that you already have on your computer. You could do the same thing if you go to YouTube. There are ways that you can download YouTube videos right to your computer. I recommend doing that. If you can find some tools, just do a search in Google for download YouTube video, and you'll find a bunch of ways to do it. And the main reason I suggest that is, one, you won't get the ads popping up during class, and two, you won't have any connection problems or anything. If the file happens to change or something goes weird with the network, it's right on your computer. You can still play it. You can copy it to the cloud as well, to one of your cloud drives, so you always have it. But either way, that's how you would do that. Now let's do something similar, except we'll have some sort of a sample paper. So student maybe wants to see an example of how to edit work, and so you can pull up some work here. We'll find one that has not been edited yet. All right, so here's a good sample, and we can size this and make it as large or as small as we need. Go back to Zoom, and then share screen. Now there's no audio here, so it really doesn't matter whether you optimize this for audio and sound, but we can choose just that specific Word document as the window. So instead of sharing the desktop with everything there, we're sharing just that one document. Click Share. And now you can see the border around that document that tells us that Zoom is sharing just that document. The mouse is inside that border, so students will see the mouse in Zoom. If the mouse goes out there, they won't see the mouse anymore, or the cursor, rather. But whatever you do now, if you highlight things, it'll show up. You can insert different things. You can, whatever formatting you feel the need to do, you can do it. You can add comments. And the students will see all the work you do. All right, you can scroll up and down in your files, however you need, and that way you're not showing your entire desktop. It's just a cleaner way to present files and different types of work. So hopefully that will help you a great deal as you're sharing your screen and sharing different files through Zoom.